So in this video we're going to cover the chest massage technique. Now the chest is a really important part of the massage. Obviously the chest contains the lungs, therefore the massage will affect the respiration as well as the heartbeat of the baby. In this massage it's important to keep your rhythm, as it will help to settle the baby's heartbeat and calm them down, ready for sleep. The first step, as with all the massages, is to warm some oil up in your hands by rubbing your hands together. And the first technique is just to warm your hands and lay them over the chest. This hot hand technique is just imparting heat and giving a calming and soothing sensation to the baby. It's also introducing them to your touch and preparing them for the massage. And the first move is going to be a gentle paddling down the centre of the chest, one hand following the other. If your baby has grown quite big, you may need to move from one side of the chest to the other to cover the entire area. But if the baby is still young, you'll be able to cover most of this with just your hands from the centre. As I said previously, this part of the routine is where you start setting the rhythm. It's important to keep a nice rhythm, as it will help the baby's heartbeat slow. And for the next move, we're going to go straight into it from the first move. You bring your hands together in a prayer position on top of the baby's chest, and you're going to open them up and slide them down into the abdomen. After a couple of these strokes, you're then going to include the rest of the body. So take the move right down and into the toe, right down through the legs and into the toes. I hope you like this video. There's a couple more I've got, so make sure you check them out on how to massage your baby. If you've liked the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to stay up to date with my newest releases, and I'll see you next time.